This is the top 3 best foods for your gut that is already in your kitchen. We'll make 3 simple recipes using Greek yogurt, kimchi, and oats. They're easy to prepare, taste great, and each one contains ingredients that can support a healthy digestive system. Let's start cooking. First is the Greek yogurt berry parfait. Fill a glass with a layer of Greek yogurt, then add fresh blueberries and sliced strawberries. Add another layer of yogurt, sprinkle granola on top, and finish with a few more berries for extra texture. Greek yogurt naturally contains live cultures, while berries provide fiber. Together, they can help support the beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive system.
This is absolutely perfect. So delicious.
Second is the kimchi fried rice. Heat a little cooking oil in a pan. Add chopped kimchi and cook for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Add cold cooked rice and stir everything together until every grain is coated with the kimchi. Crack in 1 egg and stir until fully cooked. Finish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Kimchi is a fermented vegetable dish. Fermented foods naturally contain beneficial microbes, making them a popular choice for supporting gut health.
Wow, this is really good.
Lastly, overnight oats. Add rolled oats, milk, and chia seeds into a glass jar. Mix everything well, then add sliced bananas and blueberries before sealing the jar. Place the jar in the refrigerator overnight so the oats become soft and creamy. Oats are rich in a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber helps feed beneficial gut bacteria and also helps you feel full longer.
This looks and smells so delicious.
Small changes in your meals can make it easier to include gut-friendly foods throughout the week. Try one of these recipes and see which becomes your favorite. Which of these gut-friendly recipes would you try first? The berry yogurt parfait, kimchi fried rice, or overnight oats? Let us know in the comments.
I'm so proud of these dishes. If you want to see how I made them, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe.